Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Sorkar kakong amperin lingdo kalapentip baka Jingïalang hapreng juga Sorkar MDA kabaar berkirkhat bat Nongyalam ke VPP kalong ke Seisoh bat ansapan benai ka rai hakapor ka badai. Habakran bikilat pathai khubor halor ke Ïakynduh joka Sorkar bat ka seng Voice of the People Party balalam kmat du Nongyalam ka seng uba aden mele basayoman kakong amperin kalaong bahag ka Jingïalang kini ginong mi kmat na kaseng VPP kilabu jingkeli halor ka jingsha weng kamno ki officer na kaluka yukta bat kilapan pau bagi kwa bandan ka Jingïalang bat menteri rangba ukondret ki sangma baniatai sanibha halor ka tikamat habayde bakani kakong amperin kampat kwa ong AA halor ka jingthung kambiang ki officer ki bla shaweng henrei kalaong ban up ya ka jingkren no menteri rangba hakapor ka babiang.
So I am very happy to inform through all of you, the media persons who are managing the flow of information to the public, which is very important, that today we had a very fruitful discussion with President of BPP and his party functionaries, including Ba Khatpran and Ba Erelbert, who are the honorable members of the Legislative Assembly. It was decided in that meeting that they have requested for justification on why is it that there was a change in the appointment of members to the local yukta, and they indicated that they would need another meeting with Honorable Chief Minister. I have accordingly communicated this request, which is very necessary, to the Honorable Chief Minister, whom I will be meeting shortly after this to further brief him on the details of our discussions. I express my sense of gratefulness to members of the VPP and the leadership of their president, because at this point of time we would like to see that in our efforts to serve the people of the state of Meghalaya, we must follow democratic paths to ensure that whatever observation, whatever issue, whatever dissatisfaction that is felt by them, because they are an important segment of the entire wheels of democracy, and we must never isolate observations based on frivolous decision taking or frivolous ignoring of important points brought to the forefront by all concerned members. And I sincerely hope that now that they have suspended their agitation, we will be able to communicate to them exactly the status of few of the demands that they have made. And I look forward to a working relationship which is going to be good for the democracy, which is going to be productive for the democracy. And that was the meeting that we had, and it was very fruitful. This decision, and will inform the concerned as and when he thinks fit. However, on my part, I will communicate to him. We've drawn out a minute of the meeting, and we leave it to the wisdom of the Honorable Chief Minister to communicate necessarily what he wants to get done.
When will reappoint the retired officials?
We do not want to discuss these matters because, like I said, discussions have taken place. Let these be communicated to the head of the state, who's the Honorable Chief Minister, and accordingly he will make the necessary briefings as and when the need arises.
But ma'am, why in the beginning the government have made a clear stand stating that there is no wrong in removing these retired officers, but then an existing serving officers should be appointed in their place? Why is the government
do not jump the gun?
Succumbing
it is not correct. this is your introspection. This is your personal reading into this, but I have not said that that is what we have said. My stand here is very clear. We had a fruitful discussion. Details of that discussion are yet to be taken a decision. And when those decisions are taken, accordingly, they will be communicated to you. Do not imagine, do not presume that we have taken any decisions which go out of the stand of the government. And like I said, my role was to listen and then present our discussions to the highest authority of the state, which is the Honorable Chief Minister, and please wait for that communication to come from his end. There is dissatisfaction, and likely this is what has caused this friction. Honorable Chief Minister will do the needful, and I can only assure you, and through you, the people of the state, that matters are going to be discussed, and whatever needs to be discussed will be highlighted by the Honorable Chief Minister, who will definitely meet you to give you an update on this matter.